Hey everyone, it's Mark for Windows Central, and here's a look at the Acer Predator Helios 500. It's a gaming beast with the latest 8th gen Intel Core i9 Plus processor. The Helios 500 is for the extreme gamers on the go. It features up to overclockable 8th gen Intel Core i9 Plus processors and overclockable NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 graphics. It comes with 4K UHD or Full HD IPS 17.3-inch displays with 144Hz refresh rates. NVIDIA G-Sync technology is also supported for buttery smooth imagery without tearing. It has up to 64 gigs of memory, making it ideal for live streaming. If the built-in display isn't enough, the dual Thunderbolt 3 port display and HDMI 2.0 ports support up to 3 external monitors. The Helios 500 stays cool with its dual AeroBlade 3D metal fans and 5 heat pipes. Fan speed can be controlled and customized through the Predator Sense app. Overclocking, lighting, and hotkeys can also be controlled through this app. The Predator Helios 500 gaming laptops will be available in North America in June, starting at $1,999. Is this your next gaming laptop? Let us know in the comments. I'm Mark for Windows Central. Thanks for watching.